So this says that the circumference of the Earth is estimated to be about 7,920 pi miles. The diameter of the Moon is estimated to be 2,160 miles. So we're going to compare the volume of the Earth to the volume of the Moon. Well, let's start with the circumference of the Earth. Circumference is known as 2 pi r, and we're being told that that circumference is going to be 7,920 pi miles. So if I'm trying to solve this equation here for r, because I need to know what the r is so I can look at the volume. No, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, so I need the r. So if I divide both sides here by 2 pi, notice what happens here are the 2's cancel, the pi's cancel, and I'm left with the radius equals. The pi's on this side cancel, so now all I have to do is 7,920 divided by 2, which is 3,960. So now we're going to plug that into our volume formula. Volume of the Earth is going to be 4/3 pi, this radius, 3,960 cubed. So in our calculator, that's going to be a really large number. So we got 4 times 3,960, 4 times 3,960, and that's going to be cubed. And then all that's going to be divided by 3. And then that's still going to be multiplied times pi. So we're getting about 2.6 times 10 to the 11th power. That E represents times 10. Now we're going to do the same thing with the diameter of the Moon. So this time they tell me the diameter of the Moon is going to be 2,160 miles. And so that right there, when we look at that, means our radius is going to be half of that. So all you have to do is take that number and divide it by 2 and get your radius is about 1,080. And then that would be miles. So throwing it in, we have volume of the Moon is going to be 4/3 times pi times this radius here, 1,080. And then we're going to cube that. And so now we're going to throw that in our calculator again, 4 pi 1,080, and then we're going to cube it, and all of that's going to be divided by 3, and so when we get that, we're getting something close to this number right here. And so now basically what we're going to do is to be able to compare this, you want to take the Earth, which is 2.6, which we're going to move this 11 decimal places, which means we need 10 zeros. 1, 2, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you fill zeros with all of that. So basically we've got 10 zeros and the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All of that divided by that number 5, 2, 7, 6. 6, 6, 9, 2, 8, 6. So you're going to throw that big mess in your calculator. Give me just a second. And I'm getting that it's about 49 times greater when we divide here. So about 49 times greater.